Welcome back to Python MC. In this section, we're going to create a media object, and we're going to merge the insert media, fit media, and make beat functions. So we're going to use this class keyword to create a new object, and the object's going to be called media. And then here you see this constructor method. So the constructor method is the built-in method for creating new instances of objects. So the double underscore init, or dunder, the dunder method, that's the init dunder method. Remember, it takes self as its first parameter, the first argument when you call it. And then it's going to then take sound and track as arguments and create instance variables, self.sound and self.track. And we'll see what that means. So you can see the constructor is pretty simple to do, but when you say create a new object called sci-fi intro using the new media object, you pass it the sound dubstep SFX 008 track number 1. That becomes the sci-fi intro dot sound equals dubstep SFX 08 and sci-fi underscore intro dot track equals 1. Now let's check out these methods. Place is simply insert media, taking self.sound and self.track that we get when we created this object, and then a start variable. Okay, a start argument, I should say. Then stretch is simply using fit media. Again, self being the first parameter, and start and end, so self.sound, self.track, and then start and end. And then finally make beat, same thing, self.sound, self.track, start, and the pattern, which is the string in quotes that will be like the beat string. So we'll see what this looks like. We created sci-fi underscore intro, we passed it this sound and this track, then we placed it on the track using the stretch method, which is simply this fit media sort of renamed, really. That's all it's really doing there. We haven't really done anything else to fit media. And then we have the mean beat.cut, mean beat2.stretch, cut and stretch. Cut and stretch are just alternating between make beat, which is the cut, the thing we now call cut, and stretch, which is fit media. And then we use insert media with the place method. That's all we're doing. Really simple object here. Let's go ahead and hit play and see what it sounds like. Okay, that's it. So the track basically operates the same as any other track we've created. We've just sort of repackaged it as an object. So let's walk through it real quick. So you can see dubstep SFX 08 on track 1 right there. We can see the main beat 02 up there on track 2, 07 on track 3. Now, when we actually place them, when we actually put them on the track, we need to use these methods. Initially, when we create the object, there's nothing on the track. We just need to use these methods to place them one by one. So you can see we've placed the synth fill on track 4, and we've another example here on track 3 where we alternate between cut, which is just make beat, that's where you see the little slices of the beat, and then fit media, which is the stretch method. Okay. Now you can see we can access the values for each of these new objects, like main beat underscore beat1 dot sound. We can access that by simply just printing it out. We can see it by just using the dot notation. Pretty simple. That's it. We'll see you again on Python MC. Python MC.